So my dear students, now what we are going to do, nutrition in detail, right? The first life processes which we are going to do in detail. Now see, how many types of nutrition is there? Nutrition is of two types. The first is autotrophic nutrition and the second one is heterotrophic nutrition. So nutrition can be basically divided into two types. Autotrophic nutrition and the second one is heterotrophic nutrition. So now how do we divide the various organisms and these two modes of nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition, this is about all those organisms which can synthesize their own food. For example, green plants. How do green plants synthesize their food? They synthesize their food with the help of radiant energy, carbon dioxide, right? They convert both these things and water, They convert this into what? Glucose, and they release oxygen. So this is how they synthesize their own food. All green plants and some bacteria too, right? Some chemosynthetic bacteria, they also undergo autotrophic nutrition. But now what is heterotrophic nutrition? Heterotrophic nutrition means that these organisms, they intake already prepared food by the autotrophs. Already prepared food from autotrophs. Now, heterotrophic nutrition can be further divided into three parts. Let us do it separately. Now, what are the three parts of heterotrophic nutrition? The first part is saprophytic nutrition. These are various nutritive strategies which are adopted by the heterotrophic organisms. So first is saprophytic nutrition, second is holozoic nutrition, and third is parasitic nutrition. Now who are saprophytes? Saprophytes are those organisms like bread molds, yeast, mushrooms, etc. which feed on dead and decaying matter. So what do? They sit on dead and decaying matter and make certain part of dead and decaying matter soluble, and then they absorb those nutrients. So what is saprophytic nutrition? Absorbing nutrients from dead and decaying matter by converting, they release certain enzymes which converts that material into soluble form. Right. Now what is holozoic nutrition? Now holozoic nutrition means it's just like we human beings, what do? We intake food, we take complex organic food material inside our body, and then we break down into smaller pieces with the help of enzymes. And then it is absorbed and assimilated in the body. So that is holozoic nutrition. That means intake of complex food material from outside the body and converting it into simpler substances with the help of enzymes. Right? And the example is what? Human beings. Okay. Here the example was bread mold, yeast. You can say all bacteria, some of the bacteria and fungi. Right? Now what is parasitic nutrition? You know, parasitic nutrition, the organism sits inside the host's body, obtains nutrition from the host body without killing it. So it lives, the organism lives inside the host body. Sometimes it is an external parasite also. It's not necessary that it lives inside the body. There are internal parasites as well as external parasites. So let us not write this, that they sit inside the host body. Just mention, in this we'll just mention that they obtain nutrition. They obtain nutrition from the host without killing the host. Right? Example, we have animal parasites also and we have plant parasites also. So animal parasites, you all know, are leeches and lices and tapeworm also. Right? And plant parasite is Cuscuta or Amargale. So you know, application based questions come on this. They are going to directly give you the example. Okay, explain the mode of nutrition in this example. For example, explain the mode of nutrition in Cuscuta. So you have to learn the examples very well as the definitions. Right? So now the next comes, let us come individually to, in our syllabus, we are individually going to study the autotrophic nutrition and then the holozoic nutrition in amoeba, unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. So I'm going to broadly study about all this. So now let us come to details of autotrophic nutrition. Now there are few major all-time questions which are asked in the school exams as well as the board exams on autotrophic nutrition. Right? So the first question is, see, plants have prepared the food. Plants have prepared glucose through photosynthesis. Now, how is this glucose stored inside the plant? Inside the plant, it is stored in the form